Okay. So we are going to look at how to count the number of, or how to count the occurrences, the number of occurrences of an item. Sometimes you can have your items and then you would like to count how many of them are there. Let's take a look at this situation. Let's start with numbers. I will start with numbers here. Let's say numbers equals, let's say 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 9. Let's take a look at this. So if I want to find out how many times the number 2 occurs, then I can say numbers.count. Now I'll say 2. So I have 2. So that means we have 2. We now have this and then this. So twice. What about, let's say 7? I can say numbers.count 7. It also appears twice. Okay. What about, let's say 8? Numbers.count 8. It appears just once. So we can use it to count. So in this case, if let's say you are dealing with nucleotides, maybe you want to find out the number of pyrimidines or purines, then you can use this strategy. I've covered that in my previous tutorial, which is strings. Okay, so you can also try your hands on that. So let's just create one. Let's say we have yeah, basis or whatever. Let's say A, T, C, C, G, G, A, A. So let's say you want to count the number of genes. Then you can say what basis that counts gene. You have 2 of them. Let's say you want to count the number of C's. Then you can say what basis that counts C. And so if let's say this particular basis here, let's say this is a sequence, okay, then you can actually get the GC contents of this. So if this is a sequence, then we can just say we can use this dot join, get the basis to give us the sequences itself. And then you can also just count basis.count J, basis.count C, that's the GC content, divided by the length and then multiply by 100. So that will give you your GC contents. But this is something I have covered in my previous tutorial on strings. So I'll encourage you to watch that video and then try to answer some questions which I gave there. So I think it will be good for you to answer those questions and get a feel of how Python can be used to analyze sequences. So this is how we count the number of occurrences of an item in Python. So let's continue. Now we will proceed.